This most pleasant evening. There has been a clamour to get inside the ground tonight for a much-anticipated game. The roads outside of the stadium have been bumper to bumper with traffic. The car parks are full. There is a torrent of humankind making its way from the nearby station, and we expect and he has been fouled there. Gundogan. Messi. James Rodriguez. Smalling. Marquinhos. De Bruyne. Kurzawa. Well played, he saw that coming. De Bruyne. Can't get the better of his opposite number. James Rodriguez. De Bruyne drives it forward. Tried to play it through.
Encouraged the pass with an intelligent run, but the pass just lacked pace.
And it's De Bruyne. Bernardo Silva! Oh, nearly. That nearly is nothing.
That's a little unfortunate. He had a lot of people worried then.
Stones. LYON still to register a shot on target. Ruben Dias. Fernandinho. Sterling. Bernardo Silva. Marquinhos did well to step in there. That was more than necessary. Oh, well defended. That had to be done. He could have been in, just needed a better final ball.
LYON seemed to have chosen a tougher route through the middle. That was easily read and dealt with.
And it's De Bruyne. De Bruyne switches it towards the other side. Now it's Sterling. Defence got the better of him this time, but I'm sure he'll go again.
Zinchenko never really looked sure of what he was doing, and by holding on to it for so long, he duly lost it.
Good clearance and very necessary. In once more. And back out it comes. He'll hit it! And it's been taken short. Smalling is there to heave it away. And the first half is done. Both sides have drawn blanks. They have toiled at times, but it's not been a bad game by any means. Any opinion you'd like to express on the first half?
Well, this has proved a very frustrating day so far, especially for the strikers. Nothing has been created for them. I think the service has been extremely poor.
LYON head to the dressing room, not yet having broken through. Tight, cagey game. Neither team any further forward than they were when they started out. And the game has already resumed here.
LYON can be very glad that half-time came when it did. Poor possession and very little firepower means they need a serious pickup in this second half. No guts, no glory.
Marquinhos gets good distance on it. Could move up a gear here. And it's played forward. De Bruyne. Who's ball? Who's going to get that? And that's clear cut. It's a free kick.
LYON making a fresh attempt to release someone in behind from back to front, and this is something different.
And it's Messi. Lorenzo Insigne. Oh, he's found him in space. He's had a shot.
Yeah, just thinking about the goalkeeper again, he really had to be at his best, didn't he?
Hoists it forward. João Cancelo. Mahrez looking to get on the end of this. Boateng tries to clear.
Well, to be honest, I think they're all show and no substance. Where's the final product?
Played out to the right. James Rodriguez. And it's been taken straight back. De Bruyne. And that has been cleared.
Look, this can still go either way. It might be flowing one way, but there's still time for some ebb.
Gundogan tries lifting it over. Sterling. Now it's Aguero. Lovely feet. And he just whacks it away.
Concentration levels are very good, and so is the commitment. This game could yet yield a winner.
And here's Aguero. Sterling. Aguero. Now it's Hazard hits!
And you can't but admire that from a player from whom we expect to come to the fore at crucial moments. Doing it, however, is another matter, and his influence just grows and grows. Looking back at that, that's how you play on the counter. Quick and decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning breakaway.
So here comes the substitution. Deadlock broken. It's 1-0.
It's so often the case with goal scorers, little influence, and all of a sudden, bang.
Referee looks at his watch.